Hey guys, Wagwan, welcome back to the channel. So today, as you can see this nice white light right here on the Honda Passport, and right here is their high beam. It's regular high beam, regular halogen bulb. So I want everything to be uniform in the front. Down here is already LED. I can go ahead and turn that off. You will see it's already LED, but when your high beam come on, it's gonna be regular bulb, yellow bulb. So I don't really like that on my Passport, so I'm gonna go ahead and change it. And the bulb it uses is 9005 for the high beam. And so I was in the process of looking for a bulb, and one was sent to me from Axito, I should say. One was sent to me from Axito. So this is it, Axito LED light. So this is the one I get, and this is a 9005 bulbs, right? So this bulb is 6K, so it's white. I think the headlamp on these are 6K too, so it's 6500K, I should say. So it's white. So it's nice white light you're gonna get, and it's 50 hours of life operation. So this bulb not gonna burn out for now. It's gonna be it's better than the halogen. So I'm gonna go ahead and install one, and I'm gonna wait till in the night I install another one, because I want to see how it look, what's the difference between, so you guys can have a good look of what's going on. And it's 16,000 lumens, so and that's divided by 2, so it's 8 for one and 8 for the other side. So with that said, let's get into it. So guys, let's open the box, see what we get in the box. So these are the packaging if you want. So basically these have some O-rings in it to get a tighter fit, and different headlamps. So other headlamp use the same bulbs. Once you know what your headlamp bulb is, it doesn't matter what year or model of vehicle. If you know it's 9005, you're gonna have the 9005. You got a small Allen key to adjust the beam, because every headlamp is different. You might need to set it at a focus spot for the headlamp, so you use this to adjust that. So you can put it in first and see how the light goes, or if you don't like that. And also this is their manual if you want that. And the bulbs itself, you have the LED, you have 3 on this side, 3 on the other side, and you have a driver. The body of the bulb is made of aluminum, and this is made of metal right here. So if you want, you can go ahead and get this one. It's high quality, you can feel it, it's all feels solid. There's a fan on the back too, if you to keep the bulb cool. And since the driver is not on the bulb itself, this is gonna run cool and it's gonna last a long time. So it's my first impression. I don't really know how long the bulb is gonna last, but I'm putting it in my personal vehicle, so you guys can always ask me anything you want to know, and I will update you in the comment, and also I will make another video if you guys want that. So let's go ahead. And one more thing, guys, there will be a link in the description for the parts, and if you guys want, you can use the link and save 12% from the link when you enter the code at checkout for enter Go So Hard, and you will get the 12% off. Can't beat that. All right, so let's go ahead and start the installation. So guys, I'm gonna install one, because I'm gonna install one, and I'm gonna install the hardest one, because you have the intake over here that's blocking the back for the high beam. So I'm gonna install the hardest one, This one over here is easy. You can see the bulb right here, so that's easier to work on. But this one, you have this intake box, blocking the thing. So this cover right at the top, you can take it up just by pulling up on it, and it will come off just like that. So you just want to put that somewhere safe, guys. And over here will be, you're gonna have another clip. These two clips, they look like you can use a flathead screwdriver to pick these up like that, or you can use a Phillips screw, whichever one you choose, or you can use a clip puller, whichever one you choose. I have a clip puller right here, so I'm gonna use a Phillips screw. Let's do that. So thank you guys from Oxito to send me this to put in my car and to bring it to you. So I read some of the comments, and there seems to be a lot of good comments too. But you know, I'm gonna give my honest expression of this, or impression I should say. So once you take that off, you're gonna have access to your bulb, which gonna be right here. So you want to squeeze this and unplug it. So we squeeze it and unplug this right here. Go ahead, turn it counterclockwise and take this out. So just like that. It's not a hard thing to do. And guys, if you have one of these vehicles, if you have, this is the AXL, if you have one of this job is a must to do for the AXL. So I'm gonna go ahead and install the LED. So you just gotta turn it right around, find the grooves. Once you find the grooves, you turn it in. It's gonna lock in. Then we gotta plug it in also. And these are LEDs. They are not halogen bulbs. So if you plug it in one way and it doesn't work, you just gotta take it out and plug it in another way. So you try one way first, that don't work, you flip it around, plug it back in. So let's go ahead and turn on the high beam and see what happens. So guys, let's go ahead and turn on the headlamp and see what's going on. So there you go, guys, that's what it looked like. High beam over here, you can see it's well bright. Low beam over here, you can see it's not as bright as the high beam over here. So I'm gonna leave the car like this, well, not taken apart obviously, but I'm gonna put it back together. So this, I leave it hanging because I notice it's not touching anything, so I just leave it hanging right there. I'm gonna put this back on. And put back my clips. So guys, this one have a fan that you can hear. Well, it's not that loud, I must say. It's not loud. Let me get, I don't know if you can hear that. So that's what it looked like. That's the new look. I know that looked way better than this right here. I don't know why Honda just didn't put a LED in there. So I guess if you want anything done right, gotta do it yourself. So let's go ahead and put back the cover in the night. I'm gonna do the other part over here. But I don't know, you see the LED right here and you see the yellow light over there. But in the night you will get a better comparison video and you guys will see how the high beam look at in the night. This is the halogen headlamp right here. That is the bulb. the headlamp bulb, and it's for the high beam. So you know, placement is the key. So you can see that they place it the same exact height, and they place the LED the same exact height as the element of the bulb. So you know that is the key. So far, thumbs up. So this is just to show you the different brightness in between the bulbs, but after that I'll make another video to see how they keep up. So make sure everything's snapped back in. That's it. See you later, as in the night. See you tonight. So guys, it's not that dark outside, but I'm in the vehicle, and you can see the difference. Like, there's a big difference. So it's brighter by far. So it's brighter and it look a lot better. Alright guys, so we're driving now. We're in the dark, but there's a car in front of me. I don't want to turn on my bright light. I don't want to be rude. But that's with just one bulb in. You can see the difference with just one bulb in. How bright it is. It's way brighter than the So that's how it look with one bulb in. I'm gonna go ahead and put in the second one, and then I'm gonna drive at this strip right here and see if we can go ahead and show you what it look like with both bright light in. Because as you can see, this person driving with his bright light on, but I don't want to be like that, you know. Bam. So I got my high beam on now. This is what it looked like in the night. Super bright. So I'm gonna go ahead and change out this one next, and let's see. So guys, this side is a little bit different. You can just pull that up. This is your overflow bottle from your radiator. Just pull that up. Pull this. Get that out. Take this out. Get this. Find the hole. So you want to find a hole and put it in like that. So guys, if you can see, I have both lights in. That's what it looked like with both lights in. Now everything is all uniform in the front. I'm gonna go on a test drive, and that will be the end of the video. So let's go on a test drive. So guys, as you can see, the difference. So that's the low beam and the fog lamp on together, and then this is the high beam. So guys, it's a big difference. So it's a big difference. It seems to be aiming a little bit high, but that's high beam, so not like you're gonna be driving around with your high beam. That's how the high beam normally goes. And guys, thank you for supporting the channel. Please go ahead, like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel, and let's grow this channel together. Peace out. See you next time.